Alright, it is 6:10. We don't live in Van Nuys, but that's close enough. It's 6:10 in the morning on Saturday, and Christian Daniel Jr. is back there. We're getting ready to head to Willow Springs to get some laps in, but first we gotta make our favorite stop at the breakfast spot. Yeah.
We are at the donut shop getting some
Goods. Getting some goods.
I think David Avery, I was looking at you then. I was through the screen. I've got a plate and a knife and fork in front of me right now. I'm just waiting at the humble pie.
Simulation of the day, Willow Springs.
Go.
Put it on run.
At least I got to a 59.
How many times?
4. Almost all the laps.
Yep. Good job, dude.